Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in. I greatly appreciate it. I have one of my monthly favorites, my Macy's Beauty Box. Just received this yesterday. Have not even opened the box at all. I do like to pre-open these so I don't have to do this on camera and waste your time while I try to open a box. And this is $15 a month, or $15 a month. You do sign up on Macys.com for this box. And like I said, this is a monthly favorite for me. Just verifying, yes, $15 a month. Get 5 deluxe samples, or samples. Sometimes we get a bonus. We do get a coupon for money off on future beauty purchases, if I can get it out of here, at Macy's, which I generally do use. Oh, I have 10 off of 40. Right here, I'm going to have to cover a lot of this up. $10 off my next $40 beauty purchase, so that'll come in handy. And that's good from 4/26 to June 26 of this year. And this is the Macy's Beauty Box. So, and this box does just open flat right out and for recycling. And the theme for this month's box for April 2024 is Spring into Perfect Picks. Love that. And there is a QR code you can scan and it will tell you about the products. Always comes wrapped in beautiful pink tissue. And let's see what we have in here. I have no clue. I have not seen anything. Ooh, okay. Seen anything whatsoever about any box. So, oh, I'm excited right off the bat. From Tarte, we have Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm. I love these. I own 4 of them, I think. And so it's a little sample right here. And this one is in the shade, if I could see that, which I cannot. My eyes will not even focus. This is super tiny. Oh my goodness. Because a lot of it's going to be the okay, that's not so bad. Right here, I'll show you the shade. Let me see if I have this one. I know they have new ones that came out. I cannot read that to save my life. Oof. I have no idea where they are in here. I don't know if they're this way. Let me see. I can usually tell by looking. Yep, here they are. Ooh, slam. Like, I love that you get little samples of stuff. That's cute. That would be cute for my handbag. Do I already have this one? That I could see if this matches. I cannot even see what it says on the bottom. I have no idea. I don't have this tone right at hand with these. And this is Maracuja. Do I have that? No. More Tarte right here. These are slightly different. More Tarte. The Balm. Glaze. No, I don't have this one. Okay, well that's good. So maybe I'll swatch this on my other hand. Because I have some moisturizer over there. So I don't want to put that over there. Let's see. And these are phenomenal. And this is just a light wash of color right there. I don't know if you guys can see them. Very nice. These are wonderful. And this is, like I said, perfect size for your handbag. You don't need the big tube. So, extremely happy to have that. And you can see the before and after in the picture. Definitely is a juicy lip balm. I do like them. I do, you know, gravitate towards more the balm type thing products to throw in my handbag. Just so much easier. So, I'm happy for that. So, then we have perfume samples. Do we have one or more than? Just maybe one. Oh, wait. Maybe just one this month. Oh, wow. What is all this stuff? We have lots of good stuff in this one. Oh, is this a... Oh, this is a perfume. Okay. So, from Yves Saint Laurent. Is this a balm? Glow in Balm. Right here. That's a balm. That's not a... Discover more. Is that a balm? Like a lip balm? Yeah, that is not. Glow in Balm. I thought that was maybe a perfume sample. That's not. But the perfume sample is Flower Bomb, Tiger Lily, right here. So let's open you up. Let's really smell that. I don't think I have. Does Flower Bomb have different... They must. Ooh. Ooh, that smells good. I do like Flower Bomb. Coconut, maybe that's why. Coconut milk, mango, and then tiger lily. So that's what the bottle would look like right there. That smells really nice. I do have Flower Bomb, the original, so that's nice to have. So that's 3. I don't know where to go next. Here we have from Lancome, Lash Lifting Volumize Mascara. Nice little sample size, but their samples are like true deluxe samples. This is a wonderful mascara. I have them and have used them. Love it. And I like this too. And this is MAC Stack, Super Stack Mega Brush Mascara. Right here from MAC. And here's their bottle. It's kind of hard to see because it's black on black here. Let me see if I can pop this out of here. Yep. So here's that. That's really nice. Have one of them in my drawer to use. So now I'll have 2. Or maybe I'll share one, but that's nice there. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's basically 4. I'm not really going to count that as a product. So that's 4 so far. Then we have these. So one of these could be, oh, a bonus. This is probably the bonus. Let me take these out. These are adorable. So this is the bonus. Oops, the bonus pack. Let's open this up. So we have a set of beautiful flower, like hair clips. You can use these, you know, to decorate your hair after you're done. Hold it back. Or, you know, you could use them to clip your hair back while you're doing your makeup. But these are adorable. How cute. You know, they're gold, like that. And then we have 2 of these, the little makeup puffs. You can put your finger in there, dip your powders in, like under eye powders. You could use it to chisel out for your contour, and you could use this all over your face for powder if that's what you have. So that's nice. So we have this, I would assume, is the bonus right here. Love it. Hair clips. I mean, I wouldn't wear them after the fact, but I would use them to clip everything off my forehead, especially. I noticed that it's hitting my face a lot more now, which I'm fine with. And what are you from Nude Stick? We have a product from Nude Stick. Which here's the packaging. Trying to see what it says. Magenta Magic. So. Oops. I didn't want to touch it. I didn't yet, but I don't know what. So I assume this is a blush. Is it a blush or a lip? Oh, I cannot see. It says something about face. A blush. Interesting. So let's give that a shot. I'll put that on my hand and see. It's a beautiful pink, but let's see how blendable that is. You'll blend it out with a brush, or that definitely is blendable, that you could lighten that up. Or if you like it, you know, a heavy blush, you could do that. That's nice. Feels nice in your hand, like there's moisture. Maybe that centers a little bit of like moisturizer. It's not glowy, which I like, because I don't like glowy products, but that's really pretty. Wow, that's nice. Happy with that. And something that I'm also excited about, because I don't get face jewelry anymore, we have a Tony Moly mask. This is Rose sheet mask. This is vitalizing. So, you know, I still have a few, but at least as long as I have one a week, I'm happy until I can, you know, find ones that I love. So we got that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a bonus. So we got a lot of products this month. Awesome, awesome box. Definitely worth $15. I think it's worth $15 most months. You know, we've had a few where it's been like, it was okay. Still happy to have it, but like just an okay box. This is phenomenal. Like, we have 2 mascaras, so I would have liked that maybe they switched it up and didn't give us 2. But they're sample sizes. They don't last that long. I mean, you know, beyond maybe a month or so. If you wear mascara every day, you will go through these super quick. I love the blush. Look how soft that is, since I blended it. It would look cute with the little maracuja oil that we got. If you want to stay in the pink shade. Adorbs right here. Always good to have a perfume sample. Like I said, the face mask is awesome. And then this, I'm going to have to figure out what this is. I'll have to look this up. Yves Saint Laurent New. Because on the package, it says Glow in Balm. But what are you? Are you like a moisturizer, like a little packet. I doubt that it would be a lip. It very well could be. I'll have to look that up and see. You know what? Let's do that right now. Well, I have my phone. Rather than me, like, I don't know what this is. So let me just come here, and I will type that in, YSL new. Let's see if it tells me what you are. Oh, is that like a... Oh, it's a hydrating skin tint, right? Is that right? That can't be. Oh, it's a primer. Okay, let me try to blow this up a little so you can see. So this is on YSL Beauty itself. It says New Glow In Balm Primer. Right there, $39 for a full tube. So they gave us a sample of their primer to try. Okay, I'm happy with that. $39, that's kind of pricey, but, you know, we'll see there. But happy to give it a try. I mean, if it's really a nice primer, I would spend $40 to get YSL primer. Very happy with my box this month, as I have been lately. Do you get Macy's? You could probably still sign up and get this month's box if you are interested in this wonderful box. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.